This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Tyler Lettner. Active at the open house. Are you looking for one-level living, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a great location with quick access to all the to-dos? This is the one for you. This gem is located in the heart of Halls in the desirable Berry Patch Farms SD, giving you quick access to the city without city taxes. Setting at less than 3 years old, this home is a great alternative to waiting on a lengthy new construction process. Features include a flowing open concept living space, durable LVP flooring, and a split bedroom floor plan. The flowing kitchen is complete with granite tops, a large island, and an eat-in dining area. The home also features a tankless water heater, custom light fixtures and new entry door glass, as well as a wooden privacy fence creating a great space to enjoy that covered patio. Get your private tour booked today. For more information, review the details below or contact Tyler Lettner at 865-584-4000.